pogi
Pogi.
ni, sorry,
Oh.
ang pogi ni JL dyan ha. Sandali.
Like-
Balik natin nung mas mighty, yung
Oh
nakasquint.
my goodness.
Grabe.
Come
Grabe
on!
yan.
What the hell is this going on?
Grabe.
The fudge.
So they had a comeback performance sa pag-release ng album na to. So, syempre may mga pictures. Tapos, oh my God, ang pogi ni JL. Ang pogi. As in,
Oo. Hiyang siya sa Korea.
Oo nga eh. As in, oh my gosh. And he looks so much better in this video. My
He
goodness.
does.
Correct.
And honestly,
Grabe,
like,
oh.
actually for all of them, like, kudos to the styling team. Steven's
Yes.
haircut, Hans haircut,
Yeah.
lahat talaga sila parang, okay,
Oo.
nagets na nila kung paano ba pagwapuhin pa lalo itong mga
Correct.
gwapong batang
Sobra.
ito. Very
Oh.
good.
And to add, parang kaka-debut pa lang nila, but parang ang mamature na nung dating nila dito. Parang like, medyo parang meron na silang 1-year experience. May ganon ako feel.